Selenium Practice Interview Questions, Set 4. Question 1. How do you switch to an iframe in Selenium? The correct answer is A. Using driver.switch to .frame. Driver.switch to .frame switches to an iframe for interaction with elements inside it. Question 2. What method is used to handle drop-down menus in Selenium? A. Select by visible text. B. Select by index. C. Select by value. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Select by visible text, select by index, and select by value can be used to handle drop-downs. Question 3. What is the primary use of WebDriver wait in Selenium? A. Wait for an element to be clickable. B. Wait for an element to be present. C. Wait for an element to be visible. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. WebDriver wait is used for explicit waiting for elements to meet specific conditions. Question 4. How can you switch back to the main window in Selenium? The correct answer is A. Driver.switch to .default content. Driver.switch to .default content switches back to the main content from iframe. Question 5. What is XPath in Selenium? A. A way to locate elements using JavaScript. B. A method to locate elements using relative paths. C. A way to locate elements using absolute paths. D. A method to handle dynamic elements. The correct answer is B. A method to locate elements using relative paths. XPath uses paths to locate elements in an HTML document, both relative and absolute. Question 6. Which interface in Selenium handles the WebDriver execution? A. WebDriver interface. B. JavaScript executor interface. C. Web element interface. D. Alert interface. The correct answer is A. WebDriver interface. WebDriver interface is used for executing browser commands like click, get, etc. Question 7. Which of the following is not a valid locator in Selenium? The correct answer is D. By.type. By.type is not a valid locator in Selenium WebDriver. Question 8. Which class is used to interact with alert boxes in Selenium? A. Alert. B. Pop-up. C. Pop-up handler. D. Alert box. The correct answer is A. Alert. Alert class is used to interact with alert pop-ups in Selenium WebDriver. Question 9. How can you scroll down the page in Selenium? A. Using JavaScript executor. B. Using actions class. C. Using WebDriver.scroll. D. Using driver.scroll. The correct answer is A. Using JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor executes JavaScript to scroll down or interact with the page. Question 10. Which Selenium WebDriver method is used to close the browser? A. Close. B. Quit. C. Exit. D. Driver.close. The correct answer is A. Close. Close method closes the current window, while quit closes the entire session. Question 11. What is the function of setup method in Selenium? A. Initialize test setup and WebDriver. B. Launch the browser and open URL. C. Initialize test data. D. Close the browser after testing. The correct answer is A. Initialize test setup and WebDriver. Setup is commonly used to set up the testing environment and WebDriver instance. Question 12. How would you handle mouse hover actions in Selenium? A. Using Actions class. B. Using WebDriver actions. C. Using JavaScript executor. D. Using mouse move. The correct answer is A. Using Actions class. The Actions class handles complex user interactions like mouse hover in Selenium. Question 13. Which of the following is a valid way to handle multiple browsers in Selenium? A. Driver.getWindow handles. B. Driver.switch to .window. C. Driver.manage.window. D. Driver.newWindow. The correct answer is A. Driver.getWindow handles. Driver.getWindow handles is used to handle and switch between multiple browser windows. Question 14. How can you find all links on a page using Selenium? The correct answer is A. Using find elements with by tag name of A. Find elements with by tag name of A locates all anchor tags, which represent links. Question 15. What is the use of driver.manage.timeouts. Implicitly wait? A. It waits for a fixed period before performing actions. B. It waits until an element is found on the page. C. It waits for an element to be visible. D. It sets the maximum wait time for JavaScript. The correct answer is B. It waits until an element is found on the page. Implicitly wait waits until an element is found or the timeout is reached. Question 16. Which of the following is used to capture a screenshot in Selenium? A. Takes screenshot interface. B. Screen capture class. C. Driver.getScreenshot. D. Screenshot utility class. The correct answer is A. Takes screenshot interface. The takes screenshot interface captures screenshots in Selenium WebDriver. Question 17. How would you handle a modal dialog box in Selenium? A. Switch to the dialog using driver.switchTo. B. Use alert class to handle modal dialogs. C. Use JavaScript executor to click buttons in the dialog. D. Modal dialogs can't be handled in Selenium. The correct answer is B. Use alert class to handle modal dialogs. Alert class is used to handle pop-ups and modal dialogs in Selenium. Question 18. What is the purpose of driver.getTitle? A. Returns the title of the current page. B. Returns the URL of the page. C. Navigates to the page title. D. Closes the browser window. The correct answer is A. Returns the title of the current page. Driver.getTitle fetches the title of the current page in the browser. Question 19. What is the best way to perform synchronization in Selenium? A. Using thread.sleep. B. Using implicit wait. C. Using explicit wait. D. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Using explicit wait. Explicit wait ensures precise synchronization based on expected conditions. Question 20. How can you identify an element by its CSS class in Selenium? The correct answer is B. Using by.css elector. By.css elector is used to locate elements using CSS selectors.